welcome back to my channel. What is wrong with this? Another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome Shundara Creates family. I would love to have you a part of our Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Let's see if we can get this video to like 20,000 likes. Or okay, wait, you know what? That's too much. Let's just get this video to 1,000 likes and then we can work our way to 20,000. But let's see if we can get this video to 1,000 likes. So you guys, in this episode of Shundara Creates, we're making a hand soap slime. So I really wanted to make a no glue slime with hand soap because you know what? I love hand soap and some of y'all don't have dish soap. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, let's put hand soap to the test and make a no glue slime, and let's go. So we're going to start off with hand soap. You can use any hand soap you like. I'm just using soft soap. I repeat, you can use any hand soap you like. Now we're going to do 1/3 cup of hand soap. Make sure you get all that hand soap out of the little quart 1/3 cup. However, if you don't use 1/3 cup, you can always use 1/4 cup of hand soap. So it would be like 1/4 cup of hand soap, but I don't know the exact measurements to what you would use. So I'm just using 1/3 cup, you guys, which is really 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of hand soap. So once you do that, you want to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. So I used about 7 to 10 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, and I used them in increments because I wanted to make sure this slime was the exact precise measurements to get this slime. So I hope that made sense. I'm sorry if I said it backwards, but I wanted to make sure the measurements were perfect to make this slime. So what I'm doing is using 2 heaping tablespoons, and then I'm mixing it together until it's combined. So once you get this mixture and it looks like this, you can initially stop right here, but I suggest you add 2 more tablespoons of cornstarch. And I think in the UK it's called corn flour. I'm not sure, but I'm just letting you guys know. So once you get this consistency, it will be sort of like a crumbly dough. So don't get, oh man, I got this crumbly dough. What am I supposed to do? Don't worry, you want it to look like this, and I'm going to show you what you guys need to do next. So once it's this way, you want to add oil. I'm using olive oil, which I'm using a very expensive olive oil to make this slime, which I have no clue why I did, but I am using this olive oil, and I used a tablespoon of it, and I'm going to mix it in until it's combined. So I'm going to use a tablespoon, I'm going to mix it until it's combined, I'm going to use another tablespoon, and then mix it in until it's combined. Now you can use any type of oil you like. I suggest you use baby oil. It is cheaper. I repeat, you can use any type of oil you like, and then I'm just adding another splash of olive oil to make sure that it's mixed in. And now once I mix it in all that oil, then I'm going to put it down on the freezer paper and just make sure I mixed it. It's pretty much done now, and it's easy, but now you need to mold in all that oil. Now you guys, you can use any oil. I just used olive oil. Please don't come for me in the comments saying, why did you use cooking olive oil? It's the only oil I could find. You can use any type of oil, and we really love that olive oil. Side note, that is the best cooking olive oil ever. So you guys, I just really hoped you enjoyed this easy episode of Shundara Creates. Now your slime is ready to go. See how sticky it is. See how easy it is to play with. It has the best poking ever. And I really hoped you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys.